Bob's Red Mill Natural Foods, a leading producer of stone-ground, whole-grain flours and many other products, donated cooking and kitchen supplies and a year's worth of non-perishable product to Comp Northwest's Nutrition and Medicine program, delivered by Director of Corporate Outreach, Lori Sobelson.
Lori Sobelson has been part of our Comp Northwest family from the very beginning as she's represented Bob's Red Mill. They were one of our very first donors and supporters for Comp Northwest before we even put the first shovel full of dirt out of the ground. And Lori has helped guide what has become one of our pillars for Comp Northwest, which is healthy living, healthy attitudes, our lifestyle medicine, and our nutrition and medicine track.
We're getting all the dried goods we need for the entire year of nutrition and medicine. That just means it's going to be easier for you guys to enjoy what nutrition and medicine is all about, and that's the actual learning.
I have a passion for nutrition. I'm in the right business. Thank you again so very much for the warm reception and the love and for the teaching of the importance of nutrition.
The Nutrition and Medicine Lecture Series focuses on the role nutrition plays in human health and disease and trains WesternU's future osteopathic physicians to utilize this knowledge to better care for their patients and themselves.
The education that our students are getting on this campus because of the entire Bob's Red Mill team is absolutely cannot be overstated. You're part of our Comp Northwest family. On behalf of this entire group and the entire Comp Northwest family, I want to thank you for your generous donation. Thank you for driving the van down and just being a part of us.